Hello and welcome. Today we're setting up a new product in Dynamics 365, the Hunter 30L Backpack, a durable, premium, everyday bag. Someone said, it's just one product. But that usually means product master, variants, dimensions, releases, and a few extra things. The good news? D365 handles all of this in a clean and structured way. So let's bring the Hunter 30L into the system, the D365 way. We start by creating a product master. But first, what is a product master? A product master is used when a product comes in multiple versions, like different colors, materials, or sizes. Instead of creating separate items, the product master lets us manage all variants under one parent product. To create a product master, go to Product Information Management, Product Masters, and then click on New. Enter the product number and product name, then choose the product dimension group you want to use. In this example, I'm selecting color since we'll be selling this backpack in multiple colors. Once done, click OK. Next, let's talk about variants. So, what exactly are variants? Think of them as the different personalities of the same Hunter 30L backpack. Basically, it's the same bag, just wearing different outfits. For our setup, we'll use color. To do that, I'm selecting a color group called Prem, short for premium. I've already created this group with colors like black, blue, and a few others that customers always fight over. Once selected, hit Save. Now, click on Product Variants at the top. Here, you'll find an option called Variant Suggestions. Go ahead and click that. Based on the color group we selected, D365 will now show all the possible color options. You can choose multiple colors from the suggestions and click Suggest. You'll see your selected colors appear in the Suggested Variants section. Just select all of them and hit Create. And that's it. Your product variants are officially created. The Hunter 30L now comes in more flavors than your favorite ice cream. Now let's go back and release this product to our company USMF. Why do we release a product? Because until you release it, the item is just relaxing at the global level, completely invisible to sales, purchasing, inventory, and production. It exists, but only in theory, like weekend plans. Releasing the product makes it usable inside a specific company. To do this, open Release Products, click Next, then Next again. Select your legal entity. I'm choosing USMF for now. Click Next, and finally, Finish. And just like that, our Hunter 30L backpack officially enters the USMF world, ready to be sold, purchased, tracked, and occasionally blamed during audits. Now let's open Released Products, search for the Hunter 30L backpack, and configure a few important settings to make this item fully functional. First, the storage dimension group. I'm selecting Site Warehouse. This tells D365 where the product will be tracked. It follows the structure, site, then warehouse. Perfect for strong inventory control and knowing exactly where your item is kept. Next, the tracking dimension group. Here, I'm choosing Batch Physical. This controls how the item is tracked. Batch Physical means we track the product by batch number, and we validate physical updates. Great when different batches come from different material lots. Now let's set the item model group. I'm selecting FIFO, which stands for First In, First Out. In simple terms, the oldest stock is used first. Just like snacks in the office pantry, at least in theory. Then we set the item group. For this example, I'm choosing Consume. This controls how the item posts into the financial accounts, and it works perfectly fine for demonstrations. Finally, let's set the units. For sales, purchase, and inventory, we will use pieces because a backpack is counted as one unit. One backpack equals one piece, nice and simple. And that completes our released product setup. The Hunter 30-gallon backpack is now fully ready to be used across D365 in sales, purchase, inventory, and beyond. And that's it. We introduced the Hunter 30L backpack, created the product master, configured the variants using the premium color group, generated all the required variant combinations, released the product into the USMF company, and set up all the necessary dimension groups, model groups, item groups, and units. Our Hunter 30L backpack is now fully ready to be used inside Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. In the next video, we'll actually start using this backpack in the system. It might be a sales quotation, it might be a sales order. It really depends on who reaches out to us first. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.